Come on, Jared.
Oh.
We need your input. Jared, what do you want to do?
I'm watching Tommy Chong.
I don't care if you're fucking watching Jesus Christ.
Whoa!
How much is bowling?
How much is it in X?
Yeah, for
It's
real.
$50 a lane.
For axe throwing?
Yeah, but for 1 to 6 people. So it would be $50.
So 50 divided by 4. What's that? Quick math. Quick
Like
math.
12.
It'd be like,
It's
it'd be like the
12.50
same.
exactly.
I think it's the same as what the lane
12.50
would have been.
exact.
So that's nothing, man.
Well, the lane is
12.50
How many acts
the
do we
lane
for
get?
an hour. For an hour.
For an hour of however many throws we can get off.
Yeah.
We might be going axe throwing.
We could do both.
Facts.
Could.
No, for
the
bowling.
bowling is $25 divided by 4.
So
That shit's only like.
So it'd be
Like 8. No. 6. 6 -ish.
like 5 and
6 something.
a half. What is it? 25 divided by 4? 6.25.
I'm going to pump some axes.
Like, bro, you see those videos
But
that come back?
realistically-
That shit's crazy when they come back.
What?
They ricochet.
They ricochet like crazy, bro. You gotta
Fly.
Well, you gotta. No, Kristen, you'll be fine.
Oh no, it happens.
Kristen, don't be worried about it. See your face?
So what, should we reserve it? Like, what's going on?
We got our own shit. Yeah. Look at that! This is lit.
Man, do one wear 14.
That is slipping, bro. These are what I'm supposed to be wearing.
No, they're not.
9s and 10s.
How many people have told you that? Come on.
Mick, we're already opening up with a show
I
right now.
know, bro. This is gonna be something. This is gonna be a movie.
We're opening up with Academy Lanes. Sorry. Kristen.
Let's go, Kristen.
Oh!
Hey, you know where the middle of a pandemic is?
Here's Jared. Bro, he's letting it go at that shit. Jared, it's all about the angle you're letting it go at. It's gonna get bad. Oh, does he get it? Sending it. That's all bad. Oh.
Did we finish?
Yeah. Oh. We have time right here. That's a quick gubby. Wait, what?
Alright, so I'm gonna put you guys on lane 4 here.
Okay.
And once you guys get settled in, I'll explain some rules, then we can get to throwing, okay?
Okay, perfect. Thank
Probably except for me to show you guys how to do it. So in that case, both axes and both lanes have to be thrown and either in the target or on the floor before you guys go and get them. Just for safety's sake, if 2 people are throwing, you gotta wait for the next person to throw in order to get it.
Watch this guy. Watch this guy.
Like equal.
in there. It's just for like the screws.
You know Tim's got a b-ball gym now.
Nice.
Well done out there, Sam.
For jump shots, no hands. Yeah. You can only go like that.
Oh, alright.
You can walk, but for dunks, you can walk live.
There's like a massive snowstorm happening. Mikey hits me up, goes, "Yep, trying to bowl." So, yeah.
That's good. That golden hope that I left.
This is actually wild. You can't see anything.
Yeah, it's pretty accurate. So like, I ain't no rush.
This guy's gonna be like, what the fuck? Look at this reckless ass drive.
I like getting money, I got time to get it. Target on me, so my car's a tenant. Dancing with the devil, I don't bargain with it. Bobbing in the dash, and the stick is with it. And I hit the 4-5 on the west side. But I'm from the east side, this how we slide. This how we ride, yeah, yeah, this how we ride. Going pro, no lead. Make it easy like 1, 2, 3. Go, go, on 3, 2, 1. I fly till you can't see